How long is nap time in kindergarten? If you're a parent or caregiver wondering about the nap time routine for kindergartners, you're in the right place. Let's break down the details to help you understand what to expect. First, it's important to note that not all kindergartners are required to take a nap, but many still benefit from some quiet time. For children under the age of 4, naps are essential for their growth and development. However, as they get older, the need for naps starts to decrease. In a kindergarten setting, the length of nap time can vary. According to guidelines from the New York State Education Department, nap time is not strictly required for pre-kindergarten students, but it is highly recommended for those attending full-day programs. For kindergartners who still need a nap, the typical nap time can range from 20 to 90 minutes. Here's a more detailed breakdown. For younger kindergartners, around 1 to 2 hours of nap time might still be necessary, especially if they are not yet 4 years old. As children get closer to 5 years old, the nap time can be shorter. Some programs suggest starting with a 20 to 30-minute nap time and adjusting as necessary based on the children's needs. It's also worth mentioning that even if a child doesn't sleep, they still benefit from quiet time. This can involve lying down on mats or pillows, listening to calming music, or engaging in quiet activities like reading or looking at books. This quiet time helps their bodies and minds rest, even if they don't fall asleep. To ensure a smooth nap time, daycare and pre-kindergarten programs often establish a consistent routine. This includes setting a regular time for naps, creating a calm environment with soothing music or nature sounds, and allowing children to bring a favorite stuffed animal or blanket to make them feel more comfortable. In summary, while the exact length of nap time in kindergarten can vary, it generally ranges from 20 to 90 minutes, depending on the age and needs of the children. Consistency and a calm environment are key to making nap time successful and beneficial for kindergartners.